Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel 900s. In this video, we will do complete analysis of both the indices Nifty and Bank Nifty. We will try to see the important levels for the coming week as well as for the next trading session, that is for the Monday's trading session. Let's start our analysis with Nifty. Here I am using Nifty weekly chart, and this week's candle is a spinning top, red spinning top, that too on the top of this trend. Generally this spinning top indicates a reversal, but we need a confirmation. What is the confirmation? Confirmation is a bearish candle which should close below this candle, that is below this level, which is near 19,600 candle. This spinning top is will get activated only in the next week if we see a candle, bearish candle, that too close below these two candles. This is the last week candle and this week's candle is just inside this candle. If you see the low of these both candles, the low of this candle is 19,562 and the low of this candle is 19,563. So next week if we see a close below 19,500, below these two candles, if you see a weekly candle close below these two candles, then we can say that the reversal is started. Now let's shift the time frame to daily. See, this is the daily chart, and what is the present trend? The present trend is upside, impulse correction, that is higher high, higher lows and another higher high. Generally a trend reversal will start like this. If you see here, this is the previous trend, which is a downtrend, that is lower lows, lower low, lower high, lower lows, lower low, lower high and again lower low. Here the lower lows stopped here, and after breaking this lower high we have seen this rally, that is this new trend. This uptrend started after breaking this level. In the same way, every time higher high, higher high, higher high, these are higher lows, higher low, higher low, higher low. Here also higher high, higher low and again higher high. Here high stopped making, that is Nifty stopped making another higher high, but we need a confirmation. The confirmation is only below this level, which is 19,300. That is, this complete uptrend get invalidated only if Nifty starts trading below 19,300. Then we can say that this uptrend is completed. Now we will see a fresh downtrend like this. The confirmation is below 19,300. When we see a trending move only above this level, that is about 20,000 or below 19,300, which is 700 points range. Only above this level or below this level only we can see a trending move either on downside or on upside. In between this range we will see a zigzag move, something like this. So for the next week, even if Nifty breaks this level, which is 19,500, higher chances are Nifty may go into this range between 19,300 to 500. Now let's see the important levels for the Monday's trading session. For that I am using here hourly time frame. So for any reason, if on Monday if Nifty opens gap up or flat and tests this level, which is near 19,750 and forms a pattern like this, M pattern, then we can short Nifty from this level. For the targets of 19,500 will be the first target, and the second target will be 19,400 and the third target will be 19,300. That is, on Monday, even if Nifty opens flat and moves like this and tests this level and forms a M pattern, from here we will short. Even on Monday, if Nifty opens up near 19,750, from here also we will short Nifty. Long will be only above 19,750, we will take it as 19,780 to keep some buffer. So above 19,780 only we will long Nifty. For the targets of 19,880 will be the first target and the second target will be 19,980, which is the all-time high. These are the levels for Nifty for the Monday's trading session. Now let's see the analysis of Bank Nifty. Here Bank Nifty, I am using daily chart of Bank Nifty here. As you can see, Bank Nifty is moving in between this channel. Yesterday also it tested the low of this channel and here we have seen some bounce. So until this level is, that is on downside below 45,400 only, we can say that Bank Nifty has given a breakdown of this channel and we can see a downside move from this level. This is the daily chart view. Now let's shift the time frame to hourly and see the important levels for the Monday's trading session. Here you can see two patterns, XABCD patterns, which are activated on the last trading session. This is the hourly chart. Here you can see impulse, correction and impulse. Here Bank Nifty stopped making higher highs, and also it has given a breakdown of its hourly swing low here, which is near 45,600. This XABCD pattern got activated where below this level, below 45,600, this XABCD pattern got activated, and now we are seeing a pullback of this impulse. If it tests 45,600, we will short Bank Nifty from here, and even if Bank Nifty tests this level, which is 45,900, from here also we will short Bank Nifty. Long will be only above 45,900. So on Monday, if Bank Nifty opens flat or gap up anywhere between 45,600 to 45,900 and forms a M pattern in the 5 minutes like this. If it forms M pattern like this, from here we will short Bank Nifty for the targets of the first target on downside will be this swing low, which is 45,300, and below this 45,300 we can see a sharp fall, and our first target below will be 45,062, and the second target will be 44,900, and the final target, last target, will be 44,600. This will act as major support for Bank Nifty in the coming weeks. And on the upside, long will be above only 45,900, and our first target will be 46,100, and the second target will be 46,300, which is the all-time high. These are the levels for Bank Nifty. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Keep your capital safe. Thanks and Jai Hind.